You think no one sees you in those quiet moments, don't you? You believe your tears fall unseen, that your battles are fought in the shadows, all for nothing. You've whispered prayers into the darkness, wondering if anyone is even listening. You feel invisible, overlooked, and completely alone in your struggle. That smile you show the world, it's become a heavy mask, hiding the sheer exhaustion and the silent ache in your heart. You're tired of fighting, tired of holding on, tired of waiting for a dawn that feels like it will never break. You question if your pain even matters, if you make a difference to anyone at all. It feels like you're adrift in a vast, uncaring ocean, and your quiet cries for help are just lost to the wind. My child, listen closely. I have a message just for you. Before a single word is on your tongue, I know it completely. Before a tear even forms in your eye, I feel the sorrow in your soul. I have seen every moment you felt you were breaking. I have witnessed every silent battle you've waged in the dead of night. Those moments you felt so profoundly alone. I was there. I was there when the weight of the world was pressing down on you, when your heart fractured under the strain of grief you couldn't speak, and when you forced a smile to convince everyone, even yourself, that you were fine. I saw the strength it took for you to get out of bed this morning. I saw the courage you mustered to face a day that you feared would only bring more of the same. You think your pain is a secret, a hidden burden you have to carry all by yourself. You believe that no one could possibly understand the depth of your loneliness or the details of your heartbreak. You fought valiantly, putting on a brave face for your loved ones, for your colleagues, for the world, all while your inner world was crumbling. You've become an expert at pretending, a master of disguise, concealing the turmoil that rages within, and the energy it takes to keep up this facade is draining you, leaving you feeling hollow and depleted. You look at others and wonder, how do they navigate life so easily? Why does their path seem so much smoother? The enemy whispers lies to you in these moments, telling you that you're forgotten, that you're being punished, that your struggles are a sign of my absence. He wants you to believe that your prayers are just bouncing off the ceiling, unheard and unanswered. He wants you to believe this season of sorrow is your permanent reality. But I'm here to tell you, that is a lie, forged in the very pit of despair. Every single battle, every tear, every whispered prayer has been noticed by me. Now I say to you, my precious one, not a single tear has fallen that I haven't accounted for. Remember what the psalmist wrote? You keep track of all my sorrows. You have collected all my tears in your bottle. You have recorded each one in your book. That's how deeply I love you. I don't just see your tears. I collect them as a testament to your endurance. They are precious in my sight. They tell the story of your resilience, of your faith that's been tested by fire, and of your heart that continues to beat with hope no matter how faint. You are not invisible to me. I have engraved you on the palms of my hands. Your walls are ever before me. How could I possibly forget the one I knit together in your mother's womb? You are fearfully and wonderfully made, and you are known by me completely. I know your thoughts from afar. I know when you sit and when you rise. There is nowhere you can go from my spirit, nowhere you can flee from my presence. If you go up to the heavens, I am there. If you make your bed in the depths, I am there. Even when you feel most distant from me, that is when I am holding you the closest. My silence is not absence. It's a space of profound work. In the quiet, I am recalibrating your spirit. In the waiting, I am cultivating your patience. In the struggle, I am forging your strength. You've felt my silence and mistaken it for indifference, but it has been a sacred quiet. It's in the stillness that the deepest transformations happen. Just as a seed must be buried in the dark earth before it can sprout, you too have been in a season of hidden growth. The pressure you're feeling, it isn't meant to crush you. It's meant to form you into a diamond. The heat of the trial is not to destroy you, but to purify you like gold. Remember, my power is made perfect in your weakness. It is when you are at the end of your own strength that you truly begin to understand mine. My beloved, please know this. Your suffering is not in vain. Every single moment of hardship has a divine purpose. I am working all things together for your good because you love me and are called according to my purpose. It may not make sense now, just as a tapestry's design is unclear when you look at the back, with all its tangled threads and knots. But from my perspective, I am weaving a masterpiece. Every dark thread of sorrow is essential to the beauty of the final picture. One day you'll look back and see how every tear, every disappointment, every delay, it was all a necessary part of a perfect plan. Your pain has a purpose. It's deepening your capacity for compassion. It's teaching you empathy for others who are hurting. The comfort you are learning to receive from me, you will one day use to comfort others in their own troubles. Your story of overcoming will become a beacon of hope for someone else who is lost in the dark. The very thing the enemy intended to destroy you with is the very thing I will use to promote you. The very pit he dug for you will become the foundation for your palace. This journey has been about stripping away the things you've relied on, your own strength, your own understanding, the approval of others, so that you can learn to rely solely on me. It is a journey of surrender. I have allowed these challenges to teach you to trust me in a way you never could have in a life of ease. Faith isn't built on calm seas, it's forged in the midst of the storm. You have been learning to walk on water, and though you may have faltered, your eyes are learning to stay fixed on me. This period of unseen struggle has been your training ground. You are being prepared for a victory far greater than you can possibly imagine. If you believe that I see you, that I'm with you, and that I am turning this battle around for your good, affirm it. Let your heart declare it in the comments below by typing Amen. Let it be an act of faith, a stake in the ground that says you trust my promise. And now, my child, prepare your heart. The season of weeping is ending. Joy is coming in the morning. The tears you have sown in sorrow, you will reap with songs of joy. That trickle of unseen tears, it's about to become a tidal wave of joy and victory that will overwhelm you with its goodness. I am a God of restoration. I don't just fix what is broken, I make all things new. I won't just restore what you've lost. I will give you more than you ever had before. The breakthrough you've been praying for is closer than you think. I am parting the sea for you, making a way where there seems to be no way. The very situation that has caused you private pain will soon be the reason you rejoice in public. The years the locusts have eaten, I will restore them. The shame you have felt will be replaced with a double portion of honor. The loneliness will be filled with a divine connection and a community that sees and celebrates you. Look toward the horizon, for your light is coming. The dawn is breaking on your long night. The chains of despair are shattering. The doors that were shut in your face are about to swing wide open. I am releasing a flood of blessings, opportunities, and miracles into your life that will leave no doubt that it is my hand at work. People will look at your life and see my goodness and my faithfulness. Your life will be a testimony to my power to turn mourning into dancing and suffering into glory. So get ready. The shift has already begun in the heavens. Your victory isn't just coming, it's already been set in motion by me. So don't lose hope. Don't grow weary in doing good, for at just the right time, you will reap a harvest if you don't give up. Hold fast to my promises. The battle belongs to me, and the victory is already yours. You were never invisible. You were always seen, always known, and always, always loved. I leave you with this blessing. May my peace, which transcends all understanding, guard your heart and your mind. May my strength uphold you when you feel weak. And may my joy be your portion, overflowing and uncontainable. Walk forward from this day not as a victim of your circumstances, but as the victor I have called you to be. If this message brought comfort to your soul, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss another message of hope. And please, share this video with someone who may be fighting their own silent battle. Be the messenger of my love to another hurting heart today.